It's easier than you think to make homemade marinara sauce, and I am going to show you how in this quick video. Hi, I'm Ashley and I help you create healthy daily habits through clean eating and exercise. Head on over to my website for workouts and recipe ideas. These are all the ingredients you're going to need: onion, spices, canned tomatoes, and extra virgin olive oil. Start by heating a pot on the stove to about medium-high heat and add about 4 to 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, you're going to take those chopped up onions, put them in the pot, and heat them enough so they get translucent. You don't want to overburn them, so watch them carefully. As the onions are sauteing, you're going to take each can of the tomatoes and put them into a blender. Blend on high, that way you get a nice puree. If you want them a little chunkier, blend on a lower speed and don't blend as long. When those onions are ready, go ahead and take that blended puree and just pour it right into the pot, right over those onions. Now this is where cooking is fun because you are going to add your spices. I've got the spices in the description of this video along with the recommended amounts, and you are just going to start there just by adding them in. Afterwards, as you blend them together, taste and then add more desired amount that you want. Now there's no sugar in this. If you want to add some sugar, you can add about 2 tablespoons of sugar, but now stir it all together. This is where you're going to be tasting, and if you want to add more spices, add more. Now, if you turn down the heat during the onions, turn it back up to medium high. We need to bring this up to a boil before we let it simmer. Once your sauce comes to a boil, you are now going to stir it around. You want to blend it. You could tell there's a little bit of foam on the top, so get it all blended together. Then you're going to change your heat down from medium high down to low. You still want to keep, like I said, a simmer on that. Go ahead, cover with a lid, and you are going to let it cook for an hour and a half, 90 minutes. You can go up to 3 hours. What you're going to need to do is every 15 minutes, go and stir it again because you don't want to burn the bottom. There you go. That's a clean ingredient marinara sauce recipe. Go ahead and subscribe, and here is your next video.